Hi guys, so I'm here at the giant shop on Tianbei in Beijing, and I'm just planning to get a new helmet for my upcoming trip. I've got 2 days cycle down Tianjin and back, that's 300k, and then we're going to cycle around Lake Miyun. So this is my new bike. If you've watched any of my other videos, you can see that I used to ride another giant, but a very old steel frame giant. Anyway, this is a new one with carbon fiber and some bike packing kit. So in we go. And let's get a helmet. Here we go, inside. Let's have a look at the helmets. Might get a little pump as well, like this. So I'm just going to try a few on, see which ones look good and aren't too expensive. Okay guys, mission accomplished. I got the orange helmet, second closest part, some pretty cool sculptures. Yeah, so I got the orange helmet so I could be seen, and new gloves and a decent pump. So yeah, we're all set, off we go. 2 days Tianjin, 3 days around Lake Miyun.